How to send SLC to any exchange out there. So for this, just simply open up your Silencio app, and after that just open up your wallet. Here right below your balance you would be able to find this option of send. Simply click on it. After that you would be able to find this option of Kucoin, and the Silencio team will add all the other exchanges as well. So all you have to do is just paste the wallet address for the SLC token. You can find this wallet address on the respective exchange. Simply open up and then make sure that you select the peak network on any particular exchange out there. After that, just paste the address. After pasting the address, simply click on the option of I confirm. Now type the amount of SLCs that you want to send, and after that just simply click on continue. Now at the bottom you would be able to find this option of swipe. Simply click on it and swipe it in order to send it up, and this is how you would be able to do it.